This video is to demonstrate how to engage multi-user mode in the Mobi. First thing you'll want to do is open a screen with your toolbar. If you go down to the bottom right, you'll see an icon that has 2 users. You'll want to make sure that all the Mobis that you want to engage in multi-user mode are turned on. Then when you click the icon, you can pick multi-user page setup. When you're in here, notice any Mobi that you have on will show up at the top. At this point, if it doesn't show, make sure that the Mobi is on, and then it will pop up at the top. You have different choices about what you want the screen to be. Call this one sandbox, and you can drag everyone down into the sandbox and they can work in the same area. If you want to divide the screen up a little bit, you could drag some people down to this one and some people down to this one, and the people in this side can only interact in this side. The people on this side can only interact on this side. Same thing with the different screens, up to 9 different users, and you could pull them all into their own box. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate sandbox mode, because if you pull up like a worksheet PDF or something like that, and then you put it in sandbox mode, you can have different students answering the questions at the same time. So you could have this student answering question 1 while this student was answering question 2 and this student was answering question 3. Whoever you pull down in there will be in the mode. You might want to leave a teacher Mobi up at the top, because that will allow you to control it. If you're going to give your teacher Mobi back to a student, then just come to your computer and you can have ultimate control from your computer. So either way, it works just fine. Once you have it set up the way you want, click OK. Each Mobi will have its own toolbar at the bottom. You can tell which Mobi is each toolbar because it says the Mobi's name in the top corner. And the tools are limited, but it's quite enough to do, like I said, working through a worksheet or drawing anything. About any of the tools that they would need to collaborate are all right here. They just need to use their tools to collaborate. They can work and do whatever they want to do. Whenever you're done, you need to go to a station that is not in the sandbox mode. So once again, if you pulled the teacher Mobi down into the sandbox, you'll need to go back to your computer. Or if you left your teacher Mobi out, you can just use your teacher Mobi to navigate back down to the button. And when you can see that it's on multi-user mode, this is a toggle. When you click it, it'll go off multi-user mode, and now you're back to your original settings. I hope this helps.